Okay, let's get these out. Skateboard. Hold on. Okay. Let's get the next one out. Oh, there you are. And the lockers. Grab them by the handle. Opening doors. I'm gonna try and these ones out. There's a book there. The back says it's a hat, so get this guy's leg out. Try the arm. Yep. Okay. Okay, so we go. Okay, I'm gonna shut that on. Don't. Oh, is this guy? And he has this guy. Okay. And comes with it. And impressive background. Okay, let's move on to the lockers. So, just gonna get this. Lockers. You can open them. And maybe even put skateboards in. I'm not doing a freebie of the codes. So, yeah. But if you think you can fit it in there, you can't fit the book in there. Yep. That's my review.